Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem with your iPhone Wi-Fi problem iOS 14. So how you can also fix it. So first thing you can try to go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find here Wi-Fi. Just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router. Sometimes it also helps, or you can tap on your network and just tap forget this network and submit forgetting this network. And another thing you can try, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restore your phone. And if you still have this error, so just go to the general, just tap on reset, and here you will see reset network settings. So just tap on it and submit resetting network settings. And also the latest option you can try, just go to the general, just tap on software update, and if you see here available updates, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.